So we're going to treat the crow's feet for this gentleman. We're going to start by marking up the muscle called orbicularis oculi. And normally we do 5 points of injection around the eyes. So smile for me nice and strong. We identify the muscle by getting the patient to smile. And we mark up 1 centimetre apart and 1 centimetre or so from the side of the eye. We mark up on both sides. The treatment takes normally 2 to 3 days to start to work. 2 weeks is maximal effects. We bring the patient back 2 to 4 weeks later to assess the results. If the patient needs more adding, we do that as part of the service for the patient. It normally lasts around 3 to 4 months. This treatment is not only a treatment, it will reduce the creasing when the patient smiles, but it will prevent lines from developing and getting deeper in the future as well. So it's equally a prevention treatment. We generally use higher doses around the eyes in the orbicularis oculi muscle. The muscle is usually strong and requires slightly higher doses than other areas. In men especially, we'll go even stronger again because they tend to have bulkier muscles. The injections must all be superficial because the orbicularis muscle does lie very close to the surface of the skin. So it's essential that we keep it superficial. So we'll make a start. Big smile for me, Josh, and relax. Pull the skin with the other hand to keep the skin taut, and then go into the skin. Note the tip of the needle is just underneath the skin, and that's perfect depth. You okay, mate? Okay, just the tip of the needle. The traction in the opposite direction of the skin is equal to the direction of the injection as well. Otherwise, the skin will buckle and it will result in the needle going too deep. When we clean the skin, we must clean down and away from the eye, down the cheek. We don't want to be rubbing towards the eye. Post-treatment advice for the patient is to contract the muscles once every 5 minutes for the next hour to just help it diffuse quicker into the muscle. The patient must keep upright for the next couple of hours. Washing the face or taking makeup off for females for the rest of the day, for the next 12 hours, just must be very gentle. Careful with alcohol and exercise for 12 hours because it potentially could move the Botox, and no facial treatments for 2 weeks. So things like facial massages, microdermabrasion, other aesthetic treatments.